Are y'all ready to proceed?
Ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Court is calling 2020 CR 10020 State versus Adriana Ayala. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Judith Lemert for the defendant.
And are you Adriana Ayala?
Yes, I am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
The document, I did.
Did you understand it?
I did.
Are you the same Adriana Ayala who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 10020 for the offense of assault family second offense on October 11, 2021 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Violation condition number 41, on or about the 30th day of May.
Excuse me, I don't have a violation of 41. Is that a supplemental?
No.
Thank you, Ms. Abrams. Oh, I have the incorrect one.
Oh,
All right, you may proceed.
yes, Your Honor. Violation condition number 41, on or about the 30th day of May 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Adriana Ayala, did then and there fail to comply with the rules and regulations of the Esperanza Court, in that the defendant absconded from the women's sober homes in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
State will waive the other violation, Your Honor.
Any objections to the
No, ma'am.
waivers? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion and sentence you up to 2 years in the prison?
Actually, so he's supposed to be against me, she's supposed to be for me. Why did you just give him some paperwork to be against me? If he didn't have the paperwork, it shouldn't be thrown out. Was it not complete? Was his record not complete?
I just pointed something out to him on his paperwork.
Because his paperwork was in your hand, if that was in his hand.
No,
I didn't get it. I thought he was reading it now. Because he didn't have it earlier.
All right, so this is what the state is accusing you of. They're accusing you are not following the requirements of Esperanza Court. Do you understand that? All right, you just pled true to that allegation, which is number 41. Do you understand that? And do you understand that the state is not proceeding on any other violations in the motion to revoke? They're only proceeding on violation of 41. Do you understand?
Yes, I do. I am.
All right, so do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 41?
I do. Yes, ma'am.
All right, by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could sentence you up to 2 years in the prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I do.
All right, the court is going to find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to revoke the defendant's community supervision and sentence the defendants to 2 years TDC.
that is the agreement, Judge.
All right, the court will sentence you, the court will grant the motion, revoke, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did she pay the $100 to the approved Family Violence Center? You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Correct.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Adriana Ayala.
Yes, did you pay the $100 to the approved Family Violence Center?
I don't remember. I did pay my $1,000
For the court?
Yes, ma'am. But I don't know what else was included, so my dollars, but he said I didn't know, Mr. Patrick said and Thorpe said I didn't know any fines. So I'm thinking that might have been included,
Okay, let me ask.
but I'm not.
If I may, Your Honor, the court summary reflects that she did pay the $100.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So the court then, as previously stated, will give you credit for any time served. There's affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, and the court will request the therapeutic community. Did you agree to that sentence?
Yes,
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, I am. What do you know about him?
Yes, there was something you wanted to say?
I have an idea of how much credit time served I have. Do you have an idea of how much credit time served I have?
I can,
They will be able to tell, no, they'll be able to tell your attorney the clerk will be able to tell your attorney how much time you actually have in. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
I did.
All right, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak with an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And I'm sorry, also, as previously ordered in the agreement for probation, there's to be no contact with Cesar Rodriguez.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
And Judge, but just for the record, I did let Ms. Ayala know that she does have credit for 578 days.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Okay.
May I be excused?
Cindy, do you need a cough drop or anything? Are you all ready to proceed? All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 11229 State versus Christopher Armstrong. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Armstrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Christopher M. Armstrong who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 11229 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on February 6, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Your Honor, state is proceeding on violated condition number 2, which reads on or about the 3rd day of March 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Christopher M. Armstrong did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How you plead to that, true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Your Honor, state would waive all other violations.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt and sentence to 1 year in the state jail facility.
All right.
That is our agreement, Your Honor.
All right. And has he paid the $600 to the complainant?
I believe he's got a zero balance according to probation's chief. He's paid everything.
All right. So probation, he's paid the restitution amount?
That is correct.
All right. Awesome. All right. Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The court then will grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Apollonio Albizio, Albzio. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors, and the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Probation, is there anything else?
Judge, I did want you to be aware that he's got some days that were not counted in that. 168 days, I believe, and 7.
He successfully completed that, Judge.
All right. Legally, the court has to give you credit for any time in SATF, so the court will give you credit for successful inpatient treatment. And there should be $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrently. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're going to have to take care of your drug issues. If you don't, only 2 things can possibly end up happening. Either you're going to spend the rest of your life at somebody's prison or in somebody's jail, or either somebody's going to have to identify your body because the last time you use may be the last time you use. You understand?
Sure.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Judge.
Oh, and counsel, I do believe you. I don't want you to think that I didn't believe you when you said he had paid everything. But sometimes there's some miscommunication on pay everything. Does that mean the fines or does that mean the restitution?
And I wasn't 100% positive what the answer is. I knew he had a zero balance
Yeah.
as far as everything here on probation, but I didn't know if that included the restitution or not.
Okay, all right, thank you. So are you still enjoying married life?
So far, so good. No divorce on the horizon.
All
We
right.
still like each other.
I'm still waiting for your next travel photos.
October for that.